Okay, so here is the best way on how you can fix Snapchat device ban SS06. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, if you're trying to log in into your account, or you're trying to create an account and it says due to respond attempts or other suspicious activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled, and it will tell you the support code. So I'll tell you a few ways on how you can fix that. So let's just basically know what it means though. Like, it means that someone, or you are like, your Snapchat has been doing suspicious activities, and it's temporarily disabled for you. What you can do is just wait for 2 to 3 days, and then check after that. If it's not working, then what you can do is first restart your whole device. Like, don't reset it, just restart your whole device, and maybe try changing your Wi-Fi networks. So just go ahead and try a different Wi-Fi networks and try logging in that, or switch to mobile data and try logging in that. If that doesn't work, what you can do is just simply delete Snapchat, like remove the app, and then just go back to your App Store or Play Store. And what you can do is just simply type in Snapchat and simply download it from here. If it's showing an update, just simply update the app. If it's not, just don't update it, just delete and download it back. But the last and final step is just opening up Snapchat and then going to general and then storage, and over here you just gotta find Snapchat, and inside Snapchat you just gotta first offload the app. Press on offload app. Once you offload it, just reinstall it again, and the problem will be fixed. So yeah, this is pretty much it.